This is huge. Not just huge for Cebu, but huge for the running community of Cebu and the entire country. The first ever Sing Life Cebu International Marathon. Finally, a marathon that reflects the city's dreams and aspirations.
Independence, just like any other high-impact sporting event, comes with much preparation and purpose and deliberateness. And one of our reasons for being part of the Philippine Marathon Majors is that these two things, are very much well correlated. So we want to be able to get as much exposure, and maybe to expand their question, why are we in Cebu? Right? Part of Sing Life Philippines' mission is to have a broader, geographic expansion far beyond the reach, outside Metro Manila, for us to be able to serve, every single Filipino within the entire nation. So it's a definite yes. For them to be able to try out Sing Life products and services to the Sing Life app. So I'll encourage everybody to, as early as now, download the Sing Life Philippines app. So you're able to see there all the interesting and meaningful services that we intend to bring to every single Filipino, again, to provide a better way towards financial independence.
Thank you, sir. Last.
The partnership between Sing Life Philippines and Run Rio. The Run Rio, I would argue, is the premier, running organizer in the entire nation. With or without, Run Rio or Sing Life Philippines inviting, personalities, they naturally come, they naturally participate because the best races are, oftentimes, hosted and organized by Run Rio. But aside from the natural participation, I guess, of the, more interesting personalities, we do have, engagement with, KOLs, and then some, more known personalities that we would like to be bringing in to participate in the race, not just obviously to promote the race, but also to be advocates of our mission towards providing a better way towards financial independence. So yes as well.
Accreditation. So right now we're working closely with the organizers, LGUs, to comply the 42.195 measurement. So that's strictly AIMS certified. So for the experience, we have the local team working group is also committing to the three pillars. The one is the compliance. That's for collaboration with the LGUs right now. So for the permits and other regulatory deliverables, right? So the second is safety. Safety will be our epitome commitment. So there will be ample manpower, reaction teams, and the signage and the lights for the floodlights. So the third is experience. Why experience? Right now we're really into collaboration, into the experience we could deliver an international standard. So that's the look forward to. I think the runners will look forward to it, and it's just a teaser come for the next months. So definitely those three commitments are there for the CIM for this year.
Thank you so much. I have two other questions.
Isa ito sa goals natin na ma-encourage also their members to be part of these races. And then next would be is that we have a series of training runs. So we'll also announce our partner run clubs. And for those who wanted to also join us, you can message us also on our page if you wanted to do your training runs, how we can encourage more runners to join the races. So yeah.
Be good to see as many runners to be registered. I think going back to the to the international standard of the runs, I think what makes running events international as well would be the participants. For the Cebu run, we're expecting maybe between 6,000 to 8,000 runners. Predominantly still local as anticipated, but there will be also an international award category. So we're expecting some some international participants, and as we've noticed as well, there are a bunch of international participants that have been running, each race, no, and they've been going around, the Philippines, no? And to me, I think as I have had discussions with with Coach Rio when we were conceptualizing the Philippine Marathon Majors, what is important objective for us is to be able to provide a global standard of a running event even to the locals. I mean, we are cognizant that maybe not everybody would be able to have the opportunity to be traveling abroad to experience an international grade race. So part of the objective that we have is to bring the international standard locally, right? That it becomes an established event that year in, year out, people are going to be looking forward to. The other objective as well that is very close to both Coach Rio's and my heart is really to drive tourism, in the sense that every key city that hosts the event gives us an opportunity to be able to showcase the heritage, the culture, whether it's on the whether it's on the artisanship or the culinary or whatever industry that may be unique to that kind of destination. It becomes a showcase or an opportunity to showcase. And during the race, definitely I'll be back. And I think I'm gonna be contributing to Cebu's tourism. I'll be bringing a whole bunch of friends with their families. My family also is coming, and I'm just actually one person. And if we're able to make this event beautiful and interesting enough, I see no reason why it will not continue to grow, not just from this year, but even in the forthcoming years as well.
Usually when we have races here, aside from promoting the local heritage, culture, and of course the destination, it also brings economic benefits to the local business, to the local economy, because number one, it fills up hotel rooms. As Sir said, he's not from Cebu, so he's bringing his friends, family, so that alone provides business for our hotel accommodations. Of course, they're going to eat, so they're going to visit places, restaurants. So on that alone, it's a compounding factor, not only for the event itself, but for the local MSMEs here in the city. And in the long run, I'm sure Run Rio and Sing Life has a vision to make it a world-class event, and with several races in the country. So it will bring not only a promotion to the destination, but as well as the Philippines as a premier running destination around the world. So, you never know in the long run. We'll have our own version of like the Tokyo Marathon or the Boston Marathon. So I think that's also the main goal of Run Rio. And that's why we're partnering with them, because we know that they bring in this world-class events, running events around the country.
For all four categories, we have different rates. So if you wanted to check our registration rates, you can visit us at the Sing Life Cebu International Marathon Race Roster. So we also have, this also varies the registration timeline. So currently, we're still open for the regular registration. Thank you.
So we're also in Strava, Sing Life PH. We do give away, free, not discounted, but free, limited supply race entries of varying categories. And without any requirement, no? Sometimes it's just really, fastest finger that we do some bit of raffle. And I wanted to highlight, no, because I think all throughout the Q&A session we've been talking about the world-class standard of the race, the technicalities and whatnot. No? But ultimately, one of our key objectives as well is to make this running event, a truly fun and memorable one. Right, so maybe we've not highlighted enough. Ira, you can confirm there would be a race expo as well happening throughout the weekdays, prior going into the weekend. So there'd be all this, fanfare and all this, sponsors, getting together, putting up, not just during the race village, not just during the putting up of the race village, but also as a race in the race expo. I believe here also in in SM, right? To just really rally up the people and get things really exciting. So one thing I can assure is that every peso I guess that the runners spend for the registration would be well worth it, over and above the race entitlement, but also the experience and the other privileges that you will get as you participate in the event. Thank you.
Your race registration